In this video, I will show you how to fix the ChatGPT sidebar is not showing. First, check your browser's zoom level. If the page is zoomed in too much, the sidebar may be hidden. Zoom out using your browser controls or press Ctrl+0 on Windows or CMD+0 on Mac to reset the zoom level. Then check if the sidebar appears. If you see a small sidebar edge or open sidebar menu, click it to expand the panel. If the sidebar is still missing, disable any ad blockers or browser extensions that might interfere with ChatGPT. After disabling them, refresh the page and check if the sidebar is back. If that doesn't solve the issue, clear your browser's cache and cookies. For that, if you're on Chrome, you want to click on the three dots. Here, find the option of Delete Browsing Data. Now, select All Time, then make sure you have selected all of these boxes. Now click on the Delete Data option. Next, go to your browser's site settings or see all site data and permissions, search for chatgpt.com and openai.com, then delete the stored site data for both. This removes any corrupted website data that could be causing the problem. Now close your browser, then open it again, sign back into your ChatGPT account and check if the sidebar is now visible. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.